Welcome back to Great Tastes of Manitoba and Effortless Tasty Turkey Meals. We have our Manitoba Liquor Mart product ambassador has come back. Alblas is going to show us what he's decided to do with beverage pairings. But first, Chef Jason Wortzman, Effortless, pretty close. I mean, we had a little bit of stuff to do. It wasn't too onerous, but these all just turned out so beautifully. Walk us through our recipes one more time here tonight.
Okay, well, we started with a Mexican cassoulet, so we did kind of a Latin version of a classic French dish with our Granny's cranberry chipotle turkey sausage.
So good.
Yeah, lots of great flavors and colors. And then we went to a slow cooker turkey roast and we marinated it with Greek seasoning, and we made it on a pita. And then to finish off, we did a meat sauce with ground turkey and baked it with rigatoni.
The recipes for this show and the complete series of Great Tastes are available on the Great Tastes MB.ca website. And one recipe from today's show will be in the classified section of the Winnipeg Free Press.
So Aaron, you just basically said drink what you like with what you like to eat. So basically you've just talked yourself out of a job here, but you're going to sort of shepherd us a little bit.
Yeah, when I say something like that, what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to make beverage pairing easy and accessible. It can be a little too serious sometimes. I'm guilty of taking it too seriously. So we have a lot of variety of flavors created by Chef, and a lot of people when they get home from work and they're putting together, let's say, one of the Effortless meals that you showed us, it's easy just to go and grab what you have in the fridge. What do you usually have in the fridge? Something that you like to drink. So what I'm going to do is three kind of common beverages that a lot of people may have at home that you enjoy, pair it with the types of food that you like to eat. So one example, something a lot of people have nowadays is a Prosecco in their wine rack at home or in their fridge. Prosecco can range from very dry to a little bit sweet. So we have some spices, right? We have some complex flavors in that cassoulet. So Prosecco's, this is actually an extra dry style, and it has a little bit of sweetness. It's called Fuel Prosecco, and it's really gonna balance with some of the flavors Chef put together. For the second dish, traditionally if you were to make a Greek cocktail, it would be using brandy, which brandy is an oak-aged spirit. So it's been distilled to concentrate the flavor. But in this case, I know, for example, I don't drink a lot of dark rum or amber rum, so that tends to be always on hand in the back of my liquor cabinet. I actually have taken Diplomatico Reserva Venezuelan rum, and to kind of complement that tzatziki and the marinade that you had put together for the turkey roast, this is very simple, very easy. It's 2 ounces of amber rum or aged rum, 1 ounce of lemon juice, and a lot of cocktails traditionally will have something sweet, usually a simple syrup. But what I've used instead is we actually have here Bee Boys Honey, which is a wonderful local Manitoba product. You could easily substitute liquid honey to instead of simple syrup in a cocktail. It's going to do the same thing. Simple syrup is sugar and water. Honey, you have it sweet already. Cool thing about Bee Boys as well, if you're experimenting with different cocktails, they have a variety of flavored honey. So in this case, guess what? Lemon honey, lemon cocktail, lemon marinade. We're going with complementary flavors. Lastly, I took the easy route. We have rigatoni. Beautiful rigatoni with that sauce that Chef put together. There's a saying, what goes together grows together, and we just have an Italian Chianti, Cecchi Chianti, slightly tart. You have tomato sauce. You can't go wrong with Chianti.
You haven't talked yourself out of a job. We could never do this without you. Thank you very much. Fantastic. So remember, you can try all of our recipes, greattastesmb.ca. And you know what? Welcome to season 29. Can you believe that? We have so many amazing recipes that we are so looking forward to sharing with you all season long. So please come back, join us Saturday night. Find us on Facebook, find us on Twitter. Great Tastes of Manitoba. What a pleasure. Thanks for watching.
Great Tastes of Manitoba is presented by Manitoba Liquor Mart. Great Tastes is brought to you by GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods. Great Taste is sponsored by Manitoba Agriculture. Promotional consideration is provided by the Winnipeg Free Press. We're there for you. Des Daniels Wardrobe provided by Loca Boutique. Great Taste is produced in cooperation with participating Manitoba Commodities, Manitoba Agriculture, and Manitoba Liquor Mart. Great Taste is produced by Frank Digital.